Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I've got one today. This is the last of 3 pillow pack varieties from Aces Foods LLC. This is Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup Original Artificial Flavor. And that's what we're doing at this point in the game. So let's do this. 530 milliliters of water. That's a pretty good amount. And 4 minutes on the boil. And so this will be review number 4444, which I wasn't going to do this one for this review, but I have logic to that. First off, I'm sure I'm going to make another. Hey, that worked out a few times to make sure that it didn't make a mess, but let's start there. But yeah, the company is Aces. And I was just thinking, aces. What's good? 4 aces. And a 4 with an extra leg kind of looks like an A, ladies and gentlemen. So I thought, hey, let's play on the word. Let's play on card playing. So that's what I did. And that's what you get. So take it and enjoy. But sadly, so if you look over that way, there's just a coat in the way now. Oh, you can't see that way. Ladies and gentlemen, the guinea pigs are gone. All 4 of them. Myrtle, Betty, Petunia, and Beva. So we've got an apartment inspection coming. And the language in our lease agreement is just kinda like, it mentions all these pets you can't have. And then there's like nothing about guinea pigs. However, it does say you have to get approval to have an exotic pet. And I looked up online, is a guinea pig an exotic pet? Many things consider the guinea pig an exotic pet. So we didn't want a chance that, oh, how long have you had these? Oh, well, you're going to have to pay pet rent on each one of them. We'll approve them, but you'll have to pay pet rent. Have you had them for how long? Oh, since like April? Okay. May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 6 months. Yeah, you're going to have to pay back pet rent on that. Pet rent per pet here is $50. We just couldn't make the gamble. If they all of a sudden say, oh yeah, we need $1,200, we'd be in the pooper. So, luckily, we've got some very old dear friends in Anacortes, and they basically have a zoo at their house. They've got a couple one-eyed cats that we met last night. They've got a couple nice dogs. They have bearded dragons. They've got little quail that lay eggs to feed their African egg-eating snake. What else? They've just got like all sorts of pets. And my friend's wife, she got a degree in veterinary. And I called up the place where we got the guinea pigs from. And I was like, so do you have room at the inn? And they're like, no, we're full up. We don't have any room. I'm like, okay. Then I was just like, I know my buddy was like, oh, we don't want any guinea pigs. And then he's like, okay, let me put my wife on the phone. And she's like, well, he won't get too mad. And then boom, of course, you know. So it worked out, and I can't think of a better place where they could be. She's super cool with animals. They both love animals, and it's rad. So that worked out well. But still, oh, I'm gonna miss our little guinea pigs. They were right there. So it's sad, but it's good. I want to say that the guinea pigs, God, how much money have we spent on guinea pigs? And my wife, she went full on. They had to get changed every week. We had like the cage that we had for them was like the guinea pig mansion. So it took a lot of that guinea, like bedding, and that's not cheap. And then their food, I was going to the store twice a week and spending like $15 on like produce. So, and then of course guinea pig treats, guinea pig this, guinea pig that. Yeah. But my friends have a garden, it's just like, yeah. So, yes, they do have cats. You might be wondering, wait, they have cats? Aren't they going to eat them? Nope, they're going to be in the room that has the birds as well. So, they'll be fine. But yeah, we were talking about it yesterday, and last night we got everything all done up and drove up north and brought the guinea pigs there and got to hang out with my friends for a while. Haven't seen them in, God, really long time. It was nice. But yeah, really cool people. Thanks to them. They know who they are if they're watching, but they're pretty busy, so they're probably not watching. Here is our original Sriracha noodle. Let's give it a try. Noodle definitely has the characteristics of ramen. Ooh, that's got a bite to it. The broth, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. So it's got a bite to it, but it is not the extra spicy. That's for sure. I'm even going to verify. Yeah, original. The extra spicy has way more bite, and I thought was a little bit bitter. This one is not so much. It's sweeter. I would say they've got a chicken, they've got a, in the pillow packs, they got a chicken, an original, and an extra spicy. I would rank them in order of personal preference. I like the chicken. I like them all, but I would go chicken, original, extra spicy, with chicken being my favorite of the three. I thought the chicken one had the best Sriracha flavor. Yep, I'm using this bowl, which I haven't used in, gosh, I don't even know how long, and I'm probably burning my camera with the bottom of this pot. Ah! Okay. Yeah, surprisingly, the kids weren't super broken up about the guinea pigs going. They were just happy they were getting it. These mung bean sprouts, I just opened them and they're crap. So, thank you, local grocer, for making sure that your mung bean sprouts were at the proper temperature before I got them. Jeez. If you're a fan of this show, you probably already know that I complain about mung bean sprout quality to no end. They're so freaking delicate. There's only one place that does it right, and that's 99 Ranch Market. That's chicken. And there's some spring onion. AKA green onion. Come on, egg. Some egg. Oh, gosh. A little bit of seed. And I think since this is Sriracha, how can you go wrong? by adding a little extra sriracha sauce on this chicken. Well, my only complaint about sriracha is that little squeezy thing, because it gets clogged up and that happens. But I could have done something. Not your fault, hooey phone. But here is our nobody has helped me with a centering solution. Do you have like a 3D printer? Come on, you technological people with your 3D printing presses. Make me a thing, please, for centering ramen bowls. Anyways, there you go. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I don't know what the next one you're going to see is, honestly, because I'm trying to juggle a couple projects, and I think maybe the next one you'll see will be Marachon Chicken 45th Anniversary, and then a whole slew of Marachon. I don't know. We'll see how this all pans out, because it's their 45th anniversary in 2022, but this will obviously come out in 2023. I'm like 130 reviews ahead, and it's mid-November. But, yeah, you'll be able to see that also on the definitive guide to Marachon Ramen. But, yeah, we'll see how it all pans out. I think it's going to go well. Everything's happy. Everything's good. Everything's good. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. I miss my guinea pig.